Not every peaceful place in Japan is famous. Some places stay quiet, and that is exactly what makes them special. This is Onagawa, a small coastal town in Miyagi Prefecture. A place where the mountains meet the sea, where fishing boats rest peacefully beside the harbor, and where everyday life moves slowly with the rhythm of the ocean. The walk began high above the town on a windy afternoon. From the hill overlooking the harbor, the blue ocean stretched calmly beneath the clear sky while strong sea breeze moved through the quiet streets below. Even from the beginning, the atmosphere already felt different. Not loud, not crowded, just peaceful. As the walk slowly continued toward the harbor, the quiet beauty of Onagawa slowly revealed itself. The roads remained calm while fishing boats rested gently beside the waterfront. Seagulls drifted above the sea as the wind echoed softly through the port. Nothing dramatic was happening. Yet somehow, every moment felt meaningful. Further along the harbor, empty pathways and quiet dock areas appeared beside the ocean. Warning signs stood silently near the waterfront while the mountains surrounded the town like protective walls beside the sea. The deeper the walk continued, the stronger the sound of ocean wind became. Fishing boats floated gently with the waves while seabirds danced freely above the water. Everything moved slowly together. The boats, the wind, the ocean, and the peaceful rhythm of life in this small coastal town. One fisherman quietly sat beside the harbor waiting patiently near the water. No noise, no distractions, only silence, patience, and the sound of the sea. Moments like this are easy to overlook, because nothing exciting is happening. But maybe that is the beauty of places like Onagawa. In a busy world full of noise and pressure, this quiet harbor reminds people that peace still exists. Not through luxury, not through crowded attractions, but through simple everyday moments beside the ocean. As the afternoon slowly passed, larger fishing boats rested quietly near the docks while smaller boats gently moved with the wind beneath the clear sky. The harbor never felt empty. Even in silence, it felt alive. The sound of waves touching the shore, the sight of birds floating above the water, the fresh ocean air moving through the harbor. Everything felt calm. As the walk reached its final moments, the peaceful harbor slowly faded into quiet stillness beneath the spring sky. No dramatic ending, no loud farewell. Only the sea, the wind, the boats, and the quiet reminder that sometimes healing arrives softly. Sometimes people do not need loud happiness. Sometimes they only need a peaceful place where they can slow down, breathe deeply, and feel calm again. And maybe that is why places like Onagawa remain unforgettable. Because even in silence, they quietly heal people. Thank you for walking through Onagawa with Japan Lens by GraceyG. If you enjoy peaceful places, hidden stories, and everyday life in Japan, please like, follow, and subscribe for more journeys across Japan.